Ano, ayun lang. Ano po, Che, I have something to to also share with regard to Keisha's experience. Ano po, I also thought of this kasi po there what she said po that she is not gaining much support from her family, like whenever there's an um a
Award,
grade slip or award
recognition.
distribution like that, they're not around. Ano po, I thought of also this trade that there are also parents who, as what she said, who attend even though their child only receive one, but ano po, there are also parents na deep in themselves they are not really that proud of what their
Mm.
children attain even though they are present. But there are also parents na maybe they're just busy, that's why they can't attend the award ceremonies and stuff, but they really value your efforts like that,
Mm.
your hard works and your awards. Yeah.
Yes, I like that you mentioned that, Iho. They value they value your effort, and yung sinabi mo na some of them are not proud. That will fall again then again in language of love. Meron kasi ding parents whose language of love is denying the praising. Na instead of praising you, they have that fear na, "Ay, baka pag pinuri ko to, lumaki ulo," or something like that. So tendency, their initial reaction is, you could do better. Ano ba yan, 91? You could be 95 if you want, things like that. And to a young child as you are, hearing those words to your parents would really mean hurt. It will really hurt you, but actually some parents, those are their language of love, na they're just having hard time to tell you, you did good, you're an amazing child, and things like that. Tendency, they go the other way. I notice, because I'm a teacher, I'm an advisor, I talk to parents like that. Um, I see how they interact with their children, that they will see the grades. 91, anak, you can do better than that, like that. And then after that, the child is no longer around, we'll talk na, ay, grabe, the mom's like crying. I'm so proud of my child. Alam niyo po ba, that child is not sleeping already, always studying, always this, always this. And I was like, wow, mom, you should have not said that to me, to that child. Pero it's a personality thing, and you really just have to recognize the reality. So ayun na naman tayo, you will know that you are in a good psychological health if you understand the reality, you see that in front of you, and you overcome it, cope with that. So yun nga, what I'm trying to say to you is the side of the parents, that they have different personality, and the moment you accept that, that's the language of love of my parent, you the moment you recognize the reality, you can overcome it, na it will not be a trauma to you. Kasi tendency, non-recognition of the reality of life, it's becoming your trauma. So dadali mo siya hanggang paglaki mo, hindi ka naman pumunta sa awarding, hindi ka naman proud sa akin, and things like that, because you fail to understand that their language of love is not praising. Baka spoiling you, giving you gifts or other things, flexing you to other people. That's their language of love. It's just like you fail to recognize that at that very young age. So I'm somehow encouraging everyone, recognize the reality. Recognize the reality. And the moment you realize na natural lang yun, normal lang yun, you can overcome it as a trauma. Okay. What's a tundere, parents? What's that? Tsundere? So we'll have Angelo explain that.
Tsundere.
Anika, you have something to share, something to say to Kisha. Let's have that.
Opo. It's like ano po, parang in a way po, I kind of also empathize with her. Pero at the same time, what I admire about Kisha po is that she's very goal-oriented and I'm not like that. I admire that to her. It's like she has that talent na parang, not talent, parang skill po na parang alam po niya, she knows what she wants and then she does her best to get into that goal. And ano po, parang sometimes na she's really strong as a person, I see. Where's Kisha? Kisha?
Uh,
Ayun, si Kisha.
Is Kisha
Ayun,
here? Ayan, yan.
yun. Parang nakita ko kasi ikaw na parang alam mo yun, napaka-goal oriented mo lang tapos parang alam mo yun, parang paano ba yun? It's like when there is like project, you get it done early and then it's like parang, oh, I also want to have this feeling. And then you also said that you wanted to be like an accountant like that. And I'm actually very like very looking up to you because you have that goal in your life already. And then you don't mind if others I don't know how to say it, pero parang na-admire ko yung post kay Kisha, na-admire ko yun sa'yo, Kisha. And ayun lang, it's just that maybe you can think na lang to yourself na hindi ka burden. Never ka naging burden kay tita. Never. So,
Mm.
parang siguro, yun na lang yung magiging masasabi ko sa'yo. Like, ayun, she cannot like express it that much. Katulad nga sinabi ni Sir Jem. Pero, I know talaga na parang somehow,
Yes.
he looked at you as your very responsible daughter. Na kaya kanyang ipabantay kay Kurt, diba? Like, doing ate duties
Mm.
like that. So yun, parang I kind of admire that video kasi sometimes parang kampante na sa'yo yung parents mo, gano'n.
Yes, yes. Actually, Kisha, you're really in a good, advantageous point in your life na I know naman you're there eh. Yung logic and understanding mo of reality nandun. What you just shared to us is very personal. Kaya we're actually telling this to you kasi we know you're not holding grievances. Wala namang tanim ng sama ng loob or something. You just say it out of emotion. And that's why we honor your emotion na parang buti you say that. Kasi one thing also with the things that hurt you, it is best to you will cope it the moment you recognize and tell it to someone. So if you're actually hurting, tell it to someone like this circle. I trust this circle. Anyone in this grade 11 circle, you can actually tell them things and it you will feel lighter. So, yun lang, I dare you to do that, to overcome what you're actually feeling. Negatively man yan. Just lang, emotion, pure emotion. Tas no judgment na, Di mo naman naintindihan yung this and that." It's not like that. Just purely express your emotion. You will feel lighter. Hindi pa siya magiging trauma to you, right? So I was happy that Thomas was actually able to define what Angelo said. Nice new word for me. Okay, so yeah. I noticed that with some of the parents that I encounter. Wow. So actually discussing psychology, we are actually just in the domain na but for girls. So that no male Pero actually what I realized no male reacts like this. Male only have one emotion. Women kasi they have all of it in one in one seconds. Women can actually have so many emotion like that. They can polarize things. Pero yeah, girls only. That is understandable. Yan, nice information. Japanese. Good. I'll have that in my new information stored in me. So anyway, we are just in the domain, pero again, time is not a matter with me as long as we're really discussing it as thorough as this. As much as I want to stay more in psychological health, but I think I was able to give you what I really want to say. Recognize reality and cope with the challenges. Yun lang yung tip ko in psychological health. Learning more about psychology, trauma, personality, and so on and so forth, it will be discussed to you by Teacher Jenna in the Introduction to Psychology subject, which you haven't had yet, right? Or meron na kayo ngayon? Kasi I think future subject nyo siya. Yun. So it's gonna be a future subject with Teacher Jenna. And I encourage you to really really partake on that kasi napakagandang topic. That's my favorite subject actually. Whether be it college or masters. Nung masters talaga kinarir ko. All the reflections in our psychology class, I'm always being praised. Kasi I do the reflection handwritten. Tas I will print picture pa, tas I'll put in the side. So I'm that very emotionally invested on the subject. Kasi it's really that interesting. So I hope you could give the same enthusiasm. So we're done with physical, we're done with psychological, and yeah, I actually noticed that Justin is about to cry a while ago, especially with the defeatism explanation I'm having. Pero okay lang yan, B. Whatever it is you're feeling, you're just thinking that you're in a race. Tas you're getting tired. Don't, Justin, you're not in a race. And you are in a completely different path. Kasi you have a completely different personality, completely different hobbies, kaya you're really gonna feel like you're no one's there, and you feel like you're left out, but actually you're not left out, you're just in a different track. Okay, you're just in a different track. All of us, we have our own track. Okay.
Sure.
Yes, yes.
Ano po, I'm so proud po to Justine.
Yes, me too.
Ay,
Why naman you're proud of him?
Same.
po in math, sir.
Math. In math.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Wow. He's not sleeping.
No, sir.
Ano yung achievement ni
Ay,
Justin sa math? He was able to do the
sir,
assignment. He's doing things
yes,
na ah
And Chair, he knows how to control his anger na po.
wow.
Yes.
Doon
True.
ako I would like to really commend Justin to that.
Yes, cause po, I've learned po that because later on later on like in the later stages of my junior high school, that's when I learned that that my that that anger, that sometimes anger can become anger can become my worst enemy. So I learned to so and that's how I did, and that's how I learned to control my rage.
Mm. Mm. And I hope you look at us, Iho, in a way na we are not just schoolmates to each other. Like the same way your classmates treat you, you're like a brother to them talaga, like genuine brother na your classmates wants the best for you. Kaya, me too, Iho. If you just know how much emotional investment I have in you, and hearing your classmates recognize the change that you're actually having, which I'm actually seeing it already. Ano pa yan, grade 9 pa lang when I'm like teasing you, yung mga contemporary class natin. I take pride na you respond to me that way. And you're not like that to other teachers, I learned. And you respond that way to me, and I know also our relationship is advanced kasi nag-aaway tayo. You will know that, imagine a student may kaaway na teacher. So you will know that our relationship is advanced, and
Battle of two minds, wow.
yes, yes. Tapos he's saying words talaga that are really painful to me. Tapos i-report ko siya kay Lola. And Lola will be like so apologetic to
Painful.
me. And yeah, you said things that are really hurtful. Sinumbong kaya kita.
Wait, I did? I really
Yes.
did?
Yes, basta ganon. Pero what I'm trying to say in here, Iho, I'm happy. I'm happy for you. Continue lang, Iho. Basta you are loved by your classmates. They want to see something that change in you, emotionally invested din sila.
Ouch.
Okay? So, yun yung gusto ko malaman mo. That there are people emotionally investing on you. I'm one of those. Yan. So, anyway, physical a while ago, psychological. Now, ano ba yung next? Parang pareho lang din with Emotional. Okay. I think almost the same with psychological. But the psychological is like understanding reality and coping up with the problem. But the emotional is somehow the positivity outlook. The outlook na. Ito, the outlook. And the non-destructive way. So, we could just somehow make the psychological and emotional be intertwined. Parang pwede nang i-ano yan, skip. Basta what we're trying to say with the five domain, emotional also is interconnected with psychological. Basta positive outlook. Okay, positive outlook in life. Ito, social health. Can we just finish the five domain? Tapos next meeting would be the others, which tomorrow. Tomorrow na lang yung others. So
Yes po.
let's have
We'll
the
have
five
ano po
domains
eh.
lang
We'll have
para
Gen Mat later.
yes. What time is that? Hindi pa
Ah,
naman ngayon, no.
After po, after.
After lunch, no. After
No,
lunch.
no, I mean, after ano po, after this one.
Really? Why? Why
Yes,
is the
Gen Mat.
subject like that? There's supposed to be no subject before lunch, 'di ba? Is it
Because,
catch
po,
up?
we didn't have, yes po, catch up, because we didn't have Monday for last week, right?
I was like thinking
Last,
mga 11:15 that we can finish with this.
Fine, Chair.
I'll just can someone chat server hell? Sabihin nyo I'm asking for like 15 minutes. Sorry,
I will,
bugbog
Chair.
kayo
I'll
with
chat him.
for now. Pero I just really want to finish the domains eh. Kasi ang awkward if our lecture will just be finishing in here. So anyway, let's just make this fruitful, the remaining minutes that we have. Yan, thank you, Kisha. If you will just somehow chat server hell. I'm sure he will say yes. Sobrang overconfident. He will say yes to me. It's not a matter of asking. It's me telling him I need 15 minutes. Na joke. Chanas lang. Joke. Anyway, social health. So it's the quality of relationship with family, friends, teachers, classmates, and others the child is in contact with. So I think this is what RICS is somehow positively contributing in a child's life. Um, we have become a community of emotional support, that the socialization that this school offers to the student became like the springboard for that child to be healthy in mind and in spirit, kasi being in RICS makes you feel that you have that a really solid relationship, that you did not just meet someone and then pretended you like them and then move on with your life. It's not like that. There's this really solid relationship that was formed, which is very fundamental in having a good, healthy, positive life. So that's what I'm trying to say, that social health is important, and you are fortunate to have that in RICS. Social health. Okay, so socialization, the quality. Never ever think that having gazillion of friends make you socially healthy. It's not. It's the quality. It's not the quantity of friends, but the quality of friends. The friends that will call you out. Kasi I saw this post and I really really connect with that na. When I was your age, I always think there's a must that I have a BFF or a best friend forever. Parang I set my mind na parang when I am close to someone, siya lang my number one, my one and only. Something like that. When I was your age. But as I get older and I was exposed to different personality, different behavior, I realized you cannot just really pick someone and that would be the only parang close tie relationship you have. It's possible to actually have different BFF depending on your type of relationship with them. Like for example, my relationship to my college friends, iba yun. They know me and my flaws. Like the things that I suffer from when I was in college, they know that, and they know, and they look at me na, Jem, you overcome that, you're this and that. So that's our relationship. Tas iba pa, may relationship with Teacher Jenny. Like imagine having a friend twice your age. Teacher Jenny is always saying to me nga, you could be my daughter, Jem. That's how old I am for you. Pero we treat each other in equal, and she's my best friend, and I am her best friend. You know, that feeling na i-chat ko lang siya, teacher, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. And then she will immediately respond. So, I dare you, try to have a friend, a set of friend naman, or kahit isa lang, like older than you. It's really transformational. Okay, so I have that type of friendship with Teacher Jenny. That's different pa with Teacher Jenna kasi we're on the same age somehow. That's different pa with Server Hell kasi different gender naman. So, it's a constant changes of ties, and you have to make it solid. You don't have to have many friends tapos pare-pareho silang personality. That's the time you have to be scared. Parang may tropa ka and then all of you have the same personality. One time magugulat ka na lang, you do not like them anymore. Kasi they do not benefit you socially anymore. Okay? So yun, that's my challenge. Someday, somehow, try to solidify relationship with other people. Do you have anything to share with this matter? None. Ano naman, no, understandable the social health.
Yay.
Yay. And lastly, the spiritual health. Yan. So I think this is self-explanatory and refers to maintaining harmonious relationship with other living things, no, very Buddhist, and having spiritual direction and purpose. So as you notice, the spiritual health's definition is not religion specific. Okay, it's more of the purpose of religion specific. So it's not saying, it did not mention about the belief in Jesus Christ or believing in the Prophet Muhammad. So there's no entity. The purpose of spiritual health is you recognizing you have a purpose in this world, and this world is created by someone ominously powerful. You have to recognize that the moment your spirituality is very high, you tend to have compassion, kindness, and all those basic human love somehow, or human positive feeling. So somehow spiritual health refers to that. Yung you're a good person with a purpose. Na parang you know what you have to do. Okay, so yun, spiritual health. Good feeding of spiritual health, aside from of course praying and following your religious practices. What I really like these days, watching What Would You Do, if you know that show. Tas they have
Oh, I watched some
yes,
parts of
they have
that.
a lot of trending videos. Tapos I actually been watching it years ago pa. Tas nag-memory sa akin yung recent last year I posted yung What Would You Do? And then I rewatch it again. Grabe, I cried then. I cried then when I watch it recently. It's about, like, it's a show that's like a hidden camera show, filming what would you do if this situation or in that situation. For those who haven't seen it, I'll share the video that made me cry on our Viber, and I hope it touch your heart. Kasi dun mo makikita yung basic human compassion eh. And what I like in the What Would You Do, kasi it's American setup, they're actually selecting mga states in America that has that issue. Tapos they will actually know their reaction. Like for example, there's this one video. This state is very conservative. So this state is somehow being published in the news na very homophobic daw sila, that they're very this and conservative and like that. So the What Would You Do program put up a scenario, let's say homophobic scenario in a restaurant, and they film how would the people react. Kasi that one situation is like the person is parang gay, and then he was actually being parang abused by the waitress. Parang, no, I don't want to cater your family kasi parang two women and then their children. Tas parang very very homophobic yung treatment ng waitress. And it's just really shocking how people react to that. So, yan yung mga ganun. And what made me cry is yung yung the one with food, the sharing of food. So, yun, I'll share that. Parang it gives you hope in humanity eh. Okay, so there's this idea of harmonious relationship is possible even with your different perspective, different political point of view. Kasi usually Republicans are the conservative ones, Democrat are the progressive one. Tend to be very accepting of the new setup. So things like that. So those are like the 5 domains, which I really hope you're able to absorb and digest. Anyway, we'll get to mention some of them in our future discussion. Very interesting to. We'll have it tomorrow. So yung mga folk illness that actually only our ancestors can actually justify yung idea of binat, sumpa, or what's that? Yung when a creature gonna get your child, parang natiktik or things like that. So we'll be discussing those things. Mga folk illness. Okay? So that's that. A very fruitful emotional discussion with all of you. I really hope it helps. So let's have a picture. And if you could show your video, that would be nice. If not, you can imitate what Guarino did, emoji na lang para lang Let's see the rosy cheek nga of Angelo. Ayan na siya. Inaasar na. How about you, Shara? Long time no see, and then ngayon no video as well. Cannot ba? Ayan na. Ayan. Okay. Let's have it. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Okay. You have your mathematics pa, no? I hope you do better in that. Okay? So, yun lang yun. Bye-bye.